This video is a Mathematical Literacy Grade 10 video looking at November 2019 paper 1. Question 1 is on the screen. It says that the RCL of Earl Croft High School has raised funds for the annual sports day, which is taking place on June 19, 2019. The funds that was used to revamp the sports center at the school. The school's governing body bought the following items from a local supermarket, and the document shows the items that were bought to make hot dogs. They also sold cold drinks for the event. Question number 1.1.1 is asking us to identify the financial document above. So this one is pretty easy. This here is either a till receipt or it can be known as a till slip. Both answers are accepted. Question 1.1.2 is asking us to calculate A, B, C, and D. So let's start with A. A is this amount here. So to calculate A, I'm going to say A is equal to 23 dozen hot dog rolls at 15 Rand per dozen. So it's going to be, 23 dozen multiplied by 15 Rand per 1 dozen, and then this dozen and this dozen cancels out, leaving me with a Rand total. So I'm going to say 23 times 15. I get an amount of 345 Rand for A. Let's calculate B. B is this amount here. B is 2 kilograms of hot dogs, 18 per kilogram at 30 Rand per kilogram. So there are 18 hot dogs inside 1 kilogram, and we bought 2 kilograms. So B is going to be equal to 2 kilograms multiplied by a rate of 30 Rand. 30 Rand per kilogram. Again, these two cancel out. That gives me a total of Rand 60 for the hot dogs, 0.00 because it's money, 0.00 because it's money. Question number C. Let's do C. Question C is over here, which is going to be our total. So for question number C, we need to add everything up. So you are going to say 345 plus 450 plus 30 plus 60 plus 80 plus 450 plus 200 plus 180 plus 75 plus 100. And that gives me a total of 1,970 Rand. So what did we do? We added everything up to get 1,970 Rand. Question number 4 says, that's question number 2. Question number 3 says, calculate the cost of one single bread roll. So we know that 23 hot dogs, 23 dozens were bought at 15 Rand per dozen. So question number 3 says 1 dozen is equal to 15 Rand per dozen. 1 dozen is the same as 12 rolls is equal to 15 Rand per 12 rolls. So to get 1 roll, I need to divide both by 12. This is a unit, so I'm not going to take that into account. So 1 roll is equal to 15 divided by 12, which gives me 1 Rand 25 cents for 1 roll. Question number 4 says, a pack of serviettes was 20 Rand in 2017. In 2019, it's 25 Rand. Calculate the percent of increase in the price using the formula provided. So the formula says percent increase is equal to new price minus old price over old price times 100. That means my percent increase is going to be new price 25 Rand minus old price 20 Rand divided by old price 20 Rand times 100. 25 minus 20 is 5. So I've got 5 Rand over 20 Rand times 100. My rands cancel out. So 5 over 20. 5 over 20 times 100 gives me an amount of 25% increase. If it was a decrease, this would be a negative number. So there's an increase of price at 25%. Question number 5 says, name one perishable item. Perishable. So our perishable items, if I look at that, perishable means it can go off. It can rot, get sick, needs to be thrown away. So perishable items we have is Viennas, hot dogs, we've got hot dog rolls, margarine, soft drinks, I think, and sauce. You can choose any of those items. I'm going to say hot dogs or rolls, anyone. That is question number 5. And question number 6 says, give one way that the store can be contacted if there's a query. So if we look at this receipt, you'll see there's a telephone number, there's a fax number, and an email number, email address. So there are 3 ways on the till slip. We can phone on the tell, we can fax, or we can email. All 3 of those are acceptable. Okay, so this is the answer to question number 1. I hope that this video helped you. Please like and subscribe so you get notifications of all future videos being posted. And our next video is going to be question number 2.